Friday is a first alert weather day, and it all has to do with snow that'll actually start late Thursday night, but continues throughout at least the first half of the day on Friday. That snow expected to add up to about 3 to 6 inches. It is really going to cause some problems for the morning commute on Friday, and that is what prompted us to issue a first alert weather day. We take a look at what the different computer models are saying, and yes, there are a lot of numbers on this graphic, but the ones we want to point out are the predicted snowfall amounts here. And these are just a few of the many different computer models we look at, and they're all kind of coming in pretty close to each other this morning. We're talking a 3 to around 6 inch snowfall expected across the area. And snow actually starts just before midnight tonight. And then it just kind of continues. It'll be a light to at times moderate snow through the morning commute. Notice the activity does start to wind down a little bit as we hit the afternoon hours on Friday. So this is really kind of centered around the morning commute. The crews will be out plowing and salting, but the snow will be coming down, so kind of ruining their work right after they do it. So just plan ahead. It could be kind of a slow go out on the roads Friday morning. Well, we take a look at this Thursday, and really no problems for us today. We have some clouds around, and if we're lucky, there are a couple of peaks at the sun. Notice 5 p.m. The afternoon commute on Thursday is fine. Then that snow starts to move in about the time our 11 o'clock news is coming on. And then once it gets here, it's just kind of steady during the overnight, the early morning hours, and then things will gradually turn a little bit scattered and eventually come to an end during the afternoon hours on Friday. For today, we are mostly cloudy, a high of 43 degrees. Now for tonight, we have snow moving in, our low tonight 29. Here is a look at the 10-day forecast. On Friday, we have snow. It's going to be a bit windy, too. A high of 32 degrees. Partly to mostly cloudy Saturday, a high of 33. Remember to turn your clocks ahead 1 hour Saturday night. On Sunday, the small chance of some snow. Sunday's high 34 degrees. Now, today is Thursday, and we always take a look ahead at the weekend forecast. And if you're heading up north this weekend, plan on high temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s in the northern part of the state. Still a lot of snow on the ground up there, and if you want to snowmobile or ski, conditions are pretty good for it in northern lower Michigan and across the UP.